So moving on to the next comparison, the income part to the IG markets in comparison with National Stock Exchange. So let me take you through this IG markets platform. This IG markets provides a platform to trade on almost all the top indices of the world. They provide the platform, in their platform we can even trade this SGX Nifty. Look at here. So Wall Street means Dow Jones, Hong Kong Index, US Tech means Nasdaq, Germany, US 500 means S&P 500, Australia, FTSE means UK, Japan, Taiwan, so Russell, China, India 50 means Nifty 50, and so South Africa, all these indices this IG markets is providing. I'll tell you beauty of this IG markets. If you wanted to trade this Nifty 50 in IG markets, these are the four things, four type of instruments on the same indices. So whatever is being displayed in the bracket is that per lot per point you get $10, and the second one is $2 contract, and the third one is Australian dollar contract, and here the fourth one is Australian $10 contract. So why they have given on the same indices, on the same index, four types of instruments? Because if you buy one lot here, you can hedge this position by selling 5 lots this contract. This is how they provided the clear derivative instruments to trade. So moving on to the option segment. So in the option segment, currently the Dow is trading at 27,750. At the money option, if you are able to see, it is trading between 124 and 134. You can easily see here the spread is 10 rupees. When it comes to weekly options, here the spread is almost 20 rupees. So IG markets are very clear on what they want. They need spread. The spread is itself the income to the IG markets. There is no brokerage. There are no brokerage charges for trading on the IG platform. What they want is the spread. They provide options on top indices like Dow Jones, S&P 500, FTSE, all those indices, and for those options they charge completely the spread. You should be so much sure on the volatility to make money in the IG markets, otherwise we will lose money, and they are very much clear about what they need. And while coming to the expiries, here in India we have expiries, weekly expiries only, but in IG markets there are even daily expiries also. So but their options expire on Friday, but whereas here in India the options expire on Thursday. And when IG markets are very clear on what they want and what they are eating, the spread and the theta factor, but in India there is no spread at all. If at all there is a spread, there is almost less than 20 or 30 paisa. But still, how this National Stock Exchange is still surviving? That is because of operators. These operators are looting the public money and generating income to the National Stock Exchange. They operate the particular strike irregularly. The moment we place a position, they exactly play the game exactly opposite to the position we placed. So likewise, these operators are the weapons of the National Stock Exchange in generating huge illegal income to the National Stock Exchange.